Hello, friends. I hope you are doing great. I'm here in front of you with one article of the Hindu of the sixth page of the Delhi edition. There you can find one article regarding digital divide in India. Like we are knowing that pandemic situation is going on, and due to digital world, our inequality is growing in the society. The article is written by the Ritika Khera and she is mentioning about digital divide in the India. She is giving an example of this paragraph of a author in which the author mentioned regarding digital divide in the society and how the already prevalent inequality in the society is increasing day by day due to digital divide. In further, she is giving an example of Indian alumni. Like she is talking about the Adani, and Adani has increased his income humongous in the previous year, and but the poor people they got poorer day by day due to pandemic situation and unemployment. Yes, she is saying like last 12 months India had created a big gap between the upper class and the lower class, but there is a little bit need of reject the resources. Means reject means I have highlighted the word already. Reject means rearrange. By little arrangement government can improve this thing. In this paragraph she is talking about the learning process. Means due to pandemic we have shifted to online classes. Yes, it is very viable source of the education in the pandemic situation, but we know most of the people in the rural area or the vulnerable section they are not accessing mobile at their home. She is mentioning one data regarding national sample survey. She is saying that only 6% rural household having computer at their home, and in the urban area near about 25% people having computer at their home. She is again mentioning one data regarding internet access. Yes, she is giving example of internet access. Like in the rural area near about 17% of the people having access to the internet, and in urban area only 42% are people having internet. Yes, it is the nice way. Like she is giving an example. It's a nice, sure, and smartphones with while data in improved access over the past 4 years. Yes, she is mentioning that for the past year, our mobile phone has like impacted our society a lot, and but yes, it is beneficial for the upper class because they are having access to mobile phone. But what can say about the poor people? They are not having mobile at their home, and that's why they are like tend to poor day by day because their children are not getting education, online education, and that's why there is a no way to improve for themselves. Even she is mentioning one data regarding NCRT. You might have heard this word, like National Council of Education Research and Training, and the another organization is Azim Premji Foundation and ASER, Annual Survey of Education Report, and Oxfam University suggest that 27 to 60% of the people are not having online education access due to several inequalities or several problems. Let's further discuss the several problems. She is talking about the data packs. Yes, data packs earlier due to Geo were very cheap, but nowadays it is very difficult for poor people to get recharge his mobile phone for their kid, because so many like even government platform are providing education through online. If this like access only will be available if they would have recharge in their mobile phone. And the second one thing is, yes, she is saying in the English medium schools, children are learning from the peer or peer pressure. Were learning so much, but due to pandemic, that facility has gone because they have to stay at their home whole day, and by staying at home, they have to learn a lot of things. And she is talking about the another problem, right? It is very difficult to access education by staying at home. Most of the Indian people are staying in the one or two rooms at. She is saying near about the 60% of the people of India are staying in one room or two room. Yes, children should have conducive environment for education, but it is very difficult for them by staying at home to get environment or corner peacefully so that they can learn more and more things. Yes, there is a word mentioned here, abysmally, means nirasajanak. And another one is highlighted here, assumed. Yes, assumed means manna. And that, like, if I will talk about the article, they is saying that yes, government is also providing app-based services in the health sector regarding. Government have been providing all the facility through app like CoWIN. CoWIN app is developed by the Indian government to help out the people or to get registered themselves for the oculation or vaccination. But the thing is that the people who are not having knowledge about the how to access or navigate any app, how can it possible they will get registered themselves on the online platform? Yes, it is like a portal of the uh, portal of the health sector, and they have provided so many direction to use, but the illiterate person, they are not having enough amount of knowledge so that they can utilize these things for their benefit. She is mentioning about the one thing like people in the urban area, they have exhausted their all vaccination plan, means slotted all are booked due to their literacy. Yes, they are very well versed with the mobile or internet access, that's why they have preoccupied all the slots for vaccination for 1 month. Now they have been migrated towards villages because in the village area it is very difficult to get registered themselves through the internet portal. That's why they are now shifting towards the village and they are registering their vaccination slot, and they are taking benefits of the poor people also. Yes, this is not their fault, but this is concern for the poor people. Here, even our government should take initiative to eradicate this thing. Yes, there are few words are highlighted by me like semblance. Semblance resemblance means similar. Robbed means ठगा गया. And the corruption, and clamp down means शिकंजा कसना. या another one is entirely, पूरी तरह से scarce means कमी होना, health services कमी है. Like in the she is mentioning in the article that there is a scarcity of the medicine, oxygen cylinders and all the facilities regarding healthcare workers is not enough available in the areas. She is saying that it is like government good initiative that they are providing like all data, and they are collecting all the data of the people, but in India there is a no rule till now regarding privacy of the data. And you know, data is the current time oil. She is mentioning in the article that yes, it is very good to provide digital platform to people so that they did not hog their certificate or medical history document along with them. Yes, I have highlighted this word hogging, means ghasitna along with you, like you are taking so many papers along with you each and every time and reaching up to the hospital. That she is mentioning the same thing here. Yes, due to digital thing you need not to take your all the documents along with you, but yes, there is a big concerns regarding this, because nowadays people or government or the private company, private hospital can misutilize their data. How can they misutilize? Yes, there is a procedure, like healthcare company or healthcare insurance. She is mentioning all the things here in this article. Yes, that is insurance company can benefit by taking your medical history. They can raise their premium for the insurance, health insurance, and that would burden for the people. And obfuscate means unclear, and desperate means, yes, looking at someone with the hopeless eyes. She is mentioning in the article that yes, there is a lot of issue regarding data theft also, but the French and the Taiwan government has provided digital card to their people, so that the people can access at any point of time their medical history. They need not to hog their documents along with the hospital up to the hospital, but there is a no issue regarding like digitalizing your data. But the concern is that centralizing, yes, it is very bad to centralize all the data at one place. Yeah, government should take initiative decentralize the data so that people can access their data, but nobody can misutilize their data. And I think government should take initiative and provide such type of platform and digital literacy to the poor people, so that they can also get all the basic facility which are made for them. Thank you, friends. And one more important thing has left. I want to tell you, I have already highlighted the words. Try to make sentences from the word and trying to find the word meaning in the dictionary, or you will find difficulty in searching the words, you can mention in the comment box, and I will provide you link of this article in my description. You can read out once, definitely it will help you. I hope you will get benefit this thing. Thank you, friends.